into a luxury swimming pool ideas in your backyard garden. Welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. Today we are diving into a real backyard luxury with awesome heavy and inspiring swimming pool ideas that will transform your garden into a haven on relaxation and entertainment. Whether you are longing for serene oasis or lively gathering spots, your perfect swimming pool designed for every backyard garden. Let's dive in. Imagine stepping in your backyard garden and being captivated by the tranquil beauty of natural lounging pool with a free-form shape, rockies and lush landscaping. This pool design mixes charm to your shadowed tropical paradise. Add cascading waterfalls and streams, exotic panels, plants to complete the occasion. Like ambience, and you shall feel like you are on a permanent vacation in your own backyard. For those who prefer sleek and modern ethics, a contemporary lap pool is a epitome of sophistication with a clean line, geometric shape, and minimalist design. The pool seamlessly integrates into any garden setting. Eco-friendly natural pool focuses on one and eco-friendly natural pools offer the perfect blend of sustainability and beauty, design and remarkable plunge and power fresh water from this chemical-free pool utilize natural filtration systems, aquatic plants and beneficial pure and maintain water clarity and purity. Surrounding it with a natural plant blocks, unruly cascades to enhance the natural and wild share of hormones available on your garden anywhere. So don't forget like to subscribe for more garden home and different ideas that you can knowledge from these videos. So visit my channel and see more ideas, more. Thanks for watching.